Here's a little video of my Troy-Bilt Storm 2890. 28-inch snowblower. It's got the plastic wheels, noise guard, 243 cc's. Just crank this thing around. This goes up and down. It's got about 8-10 inches of snow. It's got electric start. If you let off the, go with the gas, whatever, you can turn right. This turns, that locks the wheel, or that way, so it spins right away. It's got an ice chisel. There's the headlight. I'll show you a little spin. Just make sure the key's in. Turn it to full throttle. Give it a push. This is the choke. Gas, obviously. There we go. Plunge. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. This thing's a beast. Sucking 10 inches of snow. Heavy wet snow.